So this video I'm going to show you how to set up a working WordPress website which you can use for local development within 30 seconds. So go to Google and search in local by Flywheel, or go to localwp.com and just click download for free here. Choose which platform you're on, so either Mac or Windows. Fill out the form and just click get it now, and it'll send you an email to download the program. Once you've got it downloaded, it will look like this. Just click the plus at the bottom, create new site, continue. Give it a name, choose your local domain name you want to use and the local path to your site. Click continue. Just leave it as preferred, as it has all the recommended settings already. Click continue. Give it a WordPress name and password. Leave the email address the same. You don't want a multi-site, click add site. And now it's setting up the WordPress site. You have to get it approved by admin. That's the site created. So now you click open site and you have your new WordPress local site installed and ready to start development. You can go into the WP admin. There you have it. You're in WordPress and ready to go. So I hope this video helps you spin up those local development sites a lot quicker. And thanks for watching.